how to install the side skirts on the Ford Transit Custom and the T7. How's it going, guys? So we are installing the side skirts to the Transporter T7. These are plastic. We've had them painted. We go with the textured black. And the way that we install these is we use a double-sided 3M on the very lip. Now that one just helps it keep sort of, I guess, laterally into the side of the van when we stick it on. And then we bond it all along the bottom, which then goes up, and then that gives us our main seal. Now there is in here, if there's these here, so if you did want to put a little techie in the bottom just for security, then you could, I guess. We don't, I'd rather not because of rust. But anyway, let's get one on. We have put a pretty good plastic primer under here on this 3M. So we find that that really helps a lot with this tape. So let's get one. So these lines are pretty good. So this one's front and right. Obviously we have the added of being able to have the hoist. So that's it, so push in on there and then we can go in and push up behind. So give that a good push on the bottom and that's that. We'll just put some tape on it just to make sure it's not going to go anywhere overnight. And that's that. There we go, that's that. So same again all the way through. Obviously our join line here follows the door and then we'll put the longer piece in on that side.
You can't go wrong.
Big difference already. Bit of tape. Done.